Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of portable entertainment with the FANGOR 7.5 dual portable DVD player for cars. This incredible device has gained the title of the best car seat screen, and for good reason. Imagine long road trips transformed into entertaining adventures for your kids, keeping them engaged and happy. Let's explore what makes this dual-screen DVD player a must-have for family travels. The FANGOR dual portable DVD player boasts two 7.5-inch LCD screens that allow your little ones to enjoy their favorite movies simultaneously or watch the same film together. With advanced chip technology, this player offers crystal-clear images, ensuring that the visuals are sharp and stable, even on bumpy rides. Plus, the design is tailored for car use, featuring customized headrest straps for easy installation. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply attach the headrest straps to your car's seats, plug in the power adapter, and you're ready to go. It comes equipped with a high-quality car charger, so you don't need to worry about running out of battery. However, it's essential to note that this model does not have a built-in battery, as it is designed specifically for car use. One of the standout features of the FANGOR DVD player is its extensive compatibility with various disc formats. It supports all region discs and can handle DVD, CD, VCD, and even USB and SD card playback. You can play videos in multiple formats, including AVI, MPEG, and VOB, making it a versatile option for all your media needs. Whether it's family favorites or new adventures, the possibilities are endless. Audio quality is another area where the FANGOR player shines. With upgraded stereo speakers, the sound is loud and clear, perfect for keeping everyone entertained. Each screen has a headphone jack, allowing kids to enjoy their shows without disturbing the adults. This feature is especially handy during long drives when peace and quiet are needed. One of the clever features included is the last memory function. This means you can pause a movie and pick up right where you left off, ensuring that kids won't miss a moment of the action. It's these little conveniences that make a big difference during travel, allowing for a more enjoyable and stress-free experience. In terms of support, FANGOR has you covered with a 365-day worry-free purchase. Should you encounter any issues, their customer service is responsive and ready to assist you. Whether it's a missing accessory or technical support, they strive to provide a solution quickly. So, if you're looking to upgrade your road trips with portable entertainment that keeps the kids engaged and happy, the FANGOR 7.5 dual portable DVD player is definitely worth considering. With its dual screens, extensive format support, and easy installation, it's perfect for family outings. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more product insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy travels and keep the adventure alive.